Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to Q&T video update after some few days now. I'm looking at Q&T at the moment and it seems like we have a little bit of an issue with Q&T, but I told you there's a little bit of a morning star right there and the stop should be at 157. Now I didn't trade, I didn't buy, I'm still not convinced because for me, I think practically speaking the best place to buy is down here at the retest of this inverse head and shoulder that you have. Okay, so I'm just going to give you a quick recap right there. You haven't met the target. So that was your left shoulder right there, the head right here, and the right shoulder right there. So if you could actually come down here this week, in the next 6-7 days, that would be awesome. Bounce off here and then go back up to that particular price level. Now that's the kind of a plan I have. Now of course I could be wrong at any point of time, but I'm not bothered. I do have so many other coins that I'm looking to trade, and if you want to join the our signals as well, do join our signal because that's where I'm trading and people are just enjoying the calls there. So there's like if you go to the Discord and click on the announcement, you're gonna have this video for the agreement. Just watch the video, and if you want to pay, you want to join, that's up to you. Now I could actually try to trade this, and if you want to know when I trade it, it's going to be called on signals as well with proper risk management. You don't need to do anything, the dirty work. I'm going to do that. So basically Q&T at the moment, I see the 4-hour time frame, and I'm trying to recognize what is going on the 4-hour time frame because I'm looking at a little bit of a distribution going on in here. So it's all a market phase. So what I want to do is basically go to Google right there, and I want to show you the market phases. And in the market phases, you're going to see this image right here. So which one should I show you? Basically, I like this one actually. So yeah, so here we go. Okay, so you have the stage 1 where you have a little bit of sideways, and then you have the stage 2. What I'm looking for Q&T is that you're on the stage 3 and you're looking to go down to stage 4 and then the stage 1 back to where you started. So this is the if I show you in the picture form, this was the stage 1. So this box right here is the stage number 1. This second box is the stage number 2, and that was the stage number 3 of this. This is distribution, and you're looking to come down to stage number 2 again and then back to that stage number 1. And this is the reason why I do see Q&T probably being sold out at the moment. There's a little bit of distribution. One can even say you're potentially trying to put like a head and shoulder right there, which could be done something like this. Okay, so hear me out. So we do have not a head and shoulder, but we do have some sort of a triangle coming in. So this is what I'm going to tell you. So it's from there to there, and you're looking for this one from there to there. Okay, so you do have a decision coming in by 25 of October. Today's 24, and my personal take, my personal take is you're going to break down and you're going to continue to this following price target. So if you take the top to the bottom, just look at where this one takes you. So from there to there, straight down to that place where I've been telling you previously that you really have to backtest everything. So yeah, sounds like a great plan to me. It's coming into play. All the cards are now shuffling and they're connecting together. So that's pretty much it for this Q&T update. If you want to join the signals, you can already see this is the way we're gonna be trading these things, and it's up to you. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.